The best deployment tool. Ninite. Pick your favorite apps and download Ninite. Open your browser and go to Ninite's official website. Then, pick the apps you want to install on your system. When done, click the Get Your Ninite button to download your custom installer and run it. Run Ninite's installer to download and install your apps. When you run Ninite's installer, it will download and install all your apps from their official website at once, in their default state, and without any toolbars or third-party software. An internet connection is required to work properly. As you can see, all your apps have been installed. Run Ninite to update your apps anytime. If you want to update your apps, just go to your Downloads folder and run Ninite installer again. It will search and install all your updates at once if they are available. Thanks for watching.